Dear all, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about the prostate gland, which is the largest accessory sex gland of male reproductive system in human. Contents of the video include general overview, location, shape and size of prostate gland, different zones of the human prostate gland, arrangement of glandular tissue in prostate, histology and functions of prostate gland. The accessory glands of the male reproductive tract produce secretions that are mixed with sperm during ejaculation to produce semen and that are essential for reproduction. The accessory genital glands are the seminal vesicles, the prostate gland, and the bulbourethral glands. In this video, I will discuss about the prostate gland, and it is the largest accessory sex gland in human. The shape and size of the normal adult gland is like a walnut. It measures approximately 2 cm into 3 cm into 4 cm in size and weighs about 20 gram. It is located in the pelvic diaphragm, below the bladder, just in front of the rectum. The urethra runs through the center of the prostate gland. In this diagram, I am showing you the different zones of prostate gland. This is central zone. It contains about 25% of the glandular tissue. It surrounds ejaculatory ducts as they pierce the prostate gland. It contains mucosal glands. The cells have more prominent and slightly basophilic cytoplasm with a large nucleus. This is peripheral zone. It constitutes 70% of the glandular tissue of the prostate. It surrounds the central zone and occupies posterior and lateral parts of the gland. It is transitional zone. It occupies about 5% of the prostate volume. It surrounds the prostatic urethra. It contains the mucosal glands. It is periurethral zone. It is a narrow area with the short ducts adjacent to the prostatic urethra. It contains mucosal and submucosal glands. So these are the main zones of prostate gland. There is another structure known as fibromuscular stroma. It occupies the anterior surface of the prostate gland. It is composed of dense irregular connective tissue with a large amount of smooth muscle fibers. This area of the prostate does not contain any glands. The human prostate is composed of 30 to 50 tubuloalveolar glands. The prostate is enclosed by a fibroelastic capsule from which septa extend and divide the gland into lobules. The glands are elongated with sac-like ends and have irregular size. In this diagram, I am showing the arrangement of glands. The glands are arranged in 3 concentric layers: an inner mucosal layer, an intermediate submucosal layer, and a peripheral layer containing the main prostatic glands. The glands of the mucosal layer secrete their secretions directly into the urethra. The other 2 layers have ducts that open into the prostatic sinuses and finally into the urethra. This is a sectional view of the gland. These are the follicles. The follicles are lined by columnar epithelium. These are lumens of the follicles. The cells of the epithelium secrete their secretions into the lumen. In older men, small spherical concretions can be seen. They are known as corpora amylacea. They are 0.2 to 2 mm in diameter and often partially calcified. Glycoprotein and keratan sulfate are mainly present in corpora amylacea. The follicles are separated by broad bands of fibromuscular tissue. Here, in this diagram, I have shown different types of cells present in the glandular epithelium. These are luminal or secretory cells. They are the predominant cell types. They are about 20 micrometer in height and have a round nucleus located at the base. The basal cytoplasm contains free ribosomes, rough endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, etc. The apical cytoplasm has lysosomes, dense bodies, etc. Villiform projections are present in the apical cytoplasm and extend into the lumen. The cells are androgen dependent and secrete fluid into the glandular lumen. The fluid contains prostate specific antigen, prostate acid phosphatase, etc. These are basal cells. They are present between the luminal cells and basement membrane. They are polygonal in shape and have large irregular sepate nuclei. These are stem cells. They are responsible for the development of epithelial cells in the prostate. This is intermediate cell. They are proliferating cells. They express markers present in both the basal and secretory cells. This is neuroendocrine cell. They are highly specialized epithelial cells and are androgen independent cells. They are distributed all over the basal layer. They regulate growth, differentiation, and homeostatic regulation of the secretory processes. The primary function of the prostate is to produce the fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. The fluid contains various glycoproteins, enzymes, small molecules such as prostaglandins, citric acid, etc. Prostate specific antigen or PSA. It is a 33 kilodalton serine protease. It helps to liquefy coagulated semen for the slow release of sperm after ejaculation. Prostatic acid phosphatase or PAP. It is a 100 kilodalton enzyme. It regulates cell growth and metabolism of prostate glandular epithelium. Fibrinolysin also liquefies semen. Citric acid is possibly required to maintain osmotic or electrolytic equilibrium in the semen. Prostaglandins have a modulating effect on the LH dependent steroid synthesis and possibly influence sperm density and sperm function. The prostaglandins certainly play a part in the motility of the vas deferens and participate decisively in blood flow regulation in male genitals. So this is all about the structure and function of prostate gland. If you have any query, please write in the comment section. Like and share the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new video. Stay with us, keep watching. Thank you.